Hi, I'm Doug Laflin, your local Summerville real estate attorney with Howell Associates, and I'm here today to add to something that we talked about before. Before, in my video about vesting, I taught you how to look on the deed and make sure that you owned the property with your loved ones as joint tenants with rights of survivorship and not as tenants in common, to ensure that that property passed on immediately to them without having to go through probate when you pass. Now we're going to go one step further on that, and we're going to talk about wills and the most important documents that you need for your estate planning. Once we've ensured that your property is going to pass without going through probate, we now need to look at the four most important documents that you need. One is a will. Number two is a durable power of attorney. Number three is a living will. And number four is a healthcare power of attorney. We're going to talk about what each of those does in just a minute. But again, it is so important for me to let you know that everyone should have these documents set up, signed, and ready to go, because you never know when an accident might happen. The first document that you need to have is your will. Now, this is the most commonly known. This is what everyone knows about. You know about a will. It disposes of all of your property and things, names who they need to go to in an orderly fashion, and names someone named an executor to ensure that all of that is done correctly. Number two is a durable power of attorney. With a durable power of attorney, you name the person and a successor that you would like to have the legal ability to sign on your behalf on legal papers such as real estate matters or insurance, those sorts of things. It's very important that you have this set up ahead of time, because you won't have time to give that power to someone in the event of an accident or a death. Number three is a living will. This is the document where you will note your wishes for what you would like to happen to you in the event of an accident, such as, would you like a feeding tube, or would you like to refuse a feeding tube? Would you like to be kept alive through artificial respiration, or would you like to not be kept alive in that way? By going ahead and filling out this document, you will be letting your loved ones know exactly what you want to be done with your body and what you do not want to be done with your body. And from a practical standpoint, it takes the guesswork and the guilt off of them. I know, for example, that my dad does not want to be kept alive artificially. However, when that situation arises, God forbid, if it does arise, having that sheet of paper signed by him and notarized lets me know that I'm doing exactly what he wanted, and it takes that guilt off of me for having to make that decision. Finally is a healthcare power of attorney. This works very much like the durable power of attorney. However, it allows and names specifically someone and a successor to sign on your behalf for medical issues, to make the wishes that you put forth in your living will absolutely happen. So those are the four most important documents, aside from having your deed as joint tenants with rights of survivorship, that everyone should have for their estate planning purposes. As your local Summerville real estate attorney, I would be happy to help you go over your existing documents and tell you what you need, or to draft you brand new ones. We absolutely will work with you to make a package happen to get you exactly what you need and nothing more. Please look at my information down below, get in contact with my office, and we will be happy to take care of you, because I'm Doug Laflin with Howell Associates, your local Summerville real estate attorney, and we're here for you.